Model, 69 plate Peugeot Boxer 335 Pro L3h2D. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116632. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs on easy start with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,150 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.